Hey everyone, so in this video I'll show you how to wire up your reversing camera onto one of these head units. For those of you who have a head unit similar to this Chinese one and a bit confused on how to wire up the reversing camera so that when you put your vehicle in reverse the camera comes on, I'll quickly demonstrate and show you how to wire it up, because this is the existing wiring diagram and you basically want A1 here. So this might confuse people. So basically what this is this A1 has to go to a 12 volt supply. So it'll be from your reverse switch. This is the camera wiring diagram. So what you do is, at the moment, I've just got it on the home screen. This is A1. So this one, you just put it to the positive. And it switches automatically to reversing. So this goes to a 12 volt pull-up. And the other two wires are just your DC 12 volts. So the thin red wire goes to your 12 volt supply, and the other thin black wire just goes to your negative or ground. So when wiring it in the car, you can use this yellow plug, the RCA cable. So this one goes to your reverse light switch at the back, wherever you're tapping into power for your reversing camera. And then similarly for the back of the head unit, you've got one of these red wires as well. This red wire goes to that wire I just showed you before. So that's A1, parking sensor control wire. So that'll be your positive. So these two join up here, you just link them up, and then that will be your main feed from the back of the camera, the reversing camera. So this is your feed, and this one at the back of your head unit will go to that one to trigger the wire. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe.